Welcome back to my channel. Today the new Massey Ferguson tractors have become synonymous with durability, power, and reliability. When it comes to agricultural machinery, this brand has earned a reputation for delivering performance that meets the demands of both small and large-scale farmers. The design of Massey Ferguson tractors combines traditional toughness with modern technology, making it an ideal choice for various farming tasks, from plowing and tilling to transporting goods and harvesting crops. The engine of a Massey Ferguson tractor is a true powerhouse, providing high horsepower and torque to tackle heavy-duty tasks with ease. Whether it's the smooth operation of the gearbox or the robust build of the chassis, every component is designed to withstand harsh working conditions. One of the key features that stands out in Massey Ferguson tractors is their fuel efficiency. They are built to maximize output while minimizing fuel consumption, which is an essential factor for farmers looking to reduce operational costs. Comfort is another important aspect that has not been overlooked in the Massey Ferguson tractor range. The ergonomic design of the driver's cabin ensures that operators can work for long hours without experiencing fatigue. With clear visibility, easy-to-use controls, and adjustable seating, the tractor provides a user-friendly experience. The smooth suspension system further enhances comfort, even when driving over rough terrain. Massey Ferguson tractors also come equipped with advanced hydraulic systems that allow for easy attachment and use of various farming implements. This versatility makes them an essential tool in modern farming, capable of handling multiple tasks with a single machine. From loaders to mowers, the tractor's compatibility with different attachments enhances its functionality and overall value on the farm. Additionally, the maintenance of Massey Ferguson tractors is straightforward. Their design allows for easy access to the engine and other key components, making regular maintenance tasks simple and efficient. The availability of genuine spare parts and widespread service centers ensures that any technical issues can be resolved quickly, reducing downtime and keeping the tractor operational. Massey Ferguson has a long history of innovation and continues to develop tractors that meet the changing needs of farmers. Their focus on sustainability, with engines that meet modern emission standards, reflects their commitment to the environment. With every new model, Massey Ferguson introduces improvements that further enhance the performance, efficiency, and reliability of their tractors. In conclusion, Massey Ferguson tractors are a symbol of strength and dependability in the agricultural world. Whether it's their powerful engines, fuel efficiency, or versatility with various attachments, these tractors are designed to make farming tasks easier and more efficient. They offer a perfect blend of modern technology and time-tested durability, ensuring that farmers can rely on them for years to come. Thanks for watching.